Bridges fires and hits a three. Bridges, quick jack, got it! On a 2-for-1, Mikal Bridges catches in. He got his left arm.
Correct.
This was the Bridges three, and you mentioned the ice
there?
tray. Yeah. That's cold. Ball deflected into the hands of Bridges. Nets are running. Bridges looking for the angle. He's got it! Laxton with the double-double. 10 points, 12 rebounds. Bridges, the jumper goes. Bingo! +1.
Let's see here.
Bay got him on the arm.
Let's see. Yeah, this is better. Ooh.
Felt like it was after the release.
I think Bridges was trying to force his way through a little window.
Steal.
That's how you get it back right there.
Bridges to the rim. Mikal Bridges. No toll.
You see there, just a man who's mad sometimes is better focused.